Copying over specific content items is very similar to copying over a whole course. First, we'll need to go to Faculty, Edit Course, go to Import, Export, Copy Components, and search for offering. So the first thing you really have to make sure before even that is that we're in the course that's receiving the item. So you want to go into the course that you're copying into. That is very important. So with that, once we're in here, we go ahead and search the course that we want to pull the item from. So you can do it via CRN or just by typing the name of the class. So in my case, I'm going to type the name of the class. Click the magnifying glass. With any luck, a class will appear. Go ahead and check the radial knob next to it. Select Add Selected. The class will now appear here. And then down at the bottom, instead of copying all components, which is what we would do again if we wanted to copy over the whole class, we're going to select components. Once we've selected that, if we scroll down here to the very bottom, keep scrolling, it's going to list every single item group that is inside this class. So if I'm copying a module, it would be a content base. So I'm going to select content. I'm going to select individual items to copy, because we're not copying all the content. I want to select a specific module. And then I want to go ahead and click on Continue. All right, and it's going to bring up all of my content modules. So what I need to do now is select the one I want. So in this case, let's say I want to pull over my intro one. I can even go as far as to hit the plus sign here and actually select the individual submodules underneath it. Or if I want the whole module, I can check off the whole thing. So let's say I want just this class introduction submodule. Introductions one. Have those both selected. Click Continue. We can notice offsetting of dates as these are content modules. We don't have to worry about that really. If you do want to offset your dates, there's the option to offset them if your content module is released on certain dates. And you can, set that all up. But for today's purpose, we're just going to look at not doing that. So we're good. We have our two pieces of content. Click on Finish. It's going to take a second here to copy these over. Remember, do not refresh this page while this is going on. And this can take anywhere from a couple of seconds up to a couple of minutes. If it goes on for longer than 20 minutes, then I would just close out of the browser and contact me. So I go back now into Content, go to Content, and with any luck, at the very bottom here, Introductions, and my discussion form. Now this is a broken topic because it is a discussion. Another key element is when you're copying over a module, if there's anything like discussions or quizzes, you also have to copy over the item that it's linked to. If it's just straight HTML files or PDFs you've uploaded and stuff like that, you should be okay. Right? As always, again, this was how to copy over a specific item inside of D2L. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your CDI member. Have a great day.